Ich bin so glücklich, dass du zurückgekommen bist. Aber wie konntest du mich für jemanden wie ihn verlassen?
Reden wir nicht darüber, dass das die Vergangenheit ist. Ich gehöre wieder dir. Alles, was ich jetzt tun möchte, ist, die Yacht zu nehmen und eine Urlaubskreuzfahrt in die Karibik zu machen. Nur um meinen Kopf frei zu bekommen.
Liebling, ich kann die Schweiz jetzt nicht verlassen. Ich habe zu viel auf dem Teller.
Oh Hans, du bist sowieso immer zu beschäftigt für mich Hände. Ich muss diese Reise alleine machen, damit ich meinen Kopf frei bekommen und die Dinge durchdenken kann.
Allein meine Liebe.
Ja Hans, allein und ich heuere meinen eigenen Kapitän an.
Nun gut, meine Liebe, wenn es das ist, was es braucht, um dich glücklich zu machen. Meine Liebe, ich muss mal anrufen. Warum machst du mir nicht ein paar deiner berühmten Schnitzel zum Mittagessen?
Vielleicht ein anderes Mal.
Keine Sorge, meine Liebe.
There's a thing about you, only my way. Yagga. Guten Abend, meine Liebe. We will set sail for Jamaica. Ja? Yagga. Oh ja, meine Liebe.
Diese letzte Show war knapp. Wir hatten fast eine Milli-Vanilli-Situation. Wenn er in eine Talkshow geht, wollen Sie ihn live hören. Hans, du musst ihn dazu bringen, uns zu sagen, wer der wahre Saft ist, bevor wir bloßgestellt werden und Millionen verlieren. Elias, das weiß ich, aber dieser Mr. Mike ist kein Dummkopf.
Oh ja, meine Liebe. I will meet you at the port of Manningham in 3 days. Bis bald, meine Liebe. Yagga.
Or you could make your wife file for you, and you sit down and make the time for you fly out, run off, and you don't go. I want you. You know what, you could have loved the opportunity there.
Man, she say, they kind of reluctant to go still, you know. But true to her, a fly that she live, and I know so me can still get my fruits and anything they feed. I say, alright, me don't go. But just before me to go up, you know, I job transfer, I want place name. Why you want me?
Yes, but then to see or not to see. To see. But alright. What I say? I want to occupy. But alright. Say no more. Just text me with an ETA. And everything I go figure see when you come and show it. So what I say? Yagga. Yes, me tell you, man. Take your still, you know, but nobody know about the artist named Juice on here. Nobody. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yagga. Yeah, see. Yeah. Smooth sailing. See? Yagga. Yagga. I'm not saying a character supposed to feel that way right now for the back of female, you know. After 1 week in a nice result like that.
John, no, let me take man by that place no more now. Better me go find all a new spot. Duckans, Chichi, Chink. I know me have to deal with rat. No star.
Absos, you know like, after 1 week of luxury and elegance, we got back up to Duckans and Pestilence in an era full of beer turbulence. Well, on the flip side, at least you get a chance to live it up for a little bit, you know. At least if I ever once in my life. I'm glad female thing, you know. But I still feel like a thing over the moving there, you know. I'm sure that night thing. You see me? Well, me never night, you know. But I can't open my mouth. Come never about. So what? You never night. So I can't feelings about. Hey, yo, sweet Sam. No matter what about my thing. And my thing are the biggest contribution to Just Fun. Yeah? Me and everybody knows the character of man. Character my virgin and thing. You see me? But what? Me had the Ocean boat of this Just Fun thing here. So what? My thing are 1.5 million and counting. You see me I deal it. And up till now, not what I them do without me can't surpass my thing. So what I should wanna say? My thing is a vital thing. So I don't want a man come belittle my thing. You see me? Nah man, no matter feeling way to my youth. Everybody don't know the character of the man. But Chen tell me personally say, oh, you're just a fun secret weapon. Believe me. Yo, sorry my youth. I know it sound away. But I play me that play. Yo, I know you're the man. But I never try to belittle your contribution. I get how you feel. Me should have know. Cause I know me not get the show. Yeah, you hear me? Cause I kinda let them talk, you know. Before it turn out some kind of mute now start against the show. You see me? Cause I just the fun me not stop saying no. I wanna say. Yeah. All day every day. For just the fun, I just hip hooray. Fierce, what you say?
Yeah man, just fun.
We'll jump into a different topic. Yeah boy, Bogga that place, you know. And come check me. Man, my whole reason. I'm show me say boy, you're not too good again. Or what? Right now it's a different thing with the pan right now, you know. I mean, I'm not with Bogga and them thing there, you know. And it's in plan to fix things, yeah?
Yeah, dirty man. Make face ever hear you. Both fruits man pick. Them a fruits are done ripe and chop off a tree long time. I'm about for rotten right now. Hey.
Doris.
You see, if Bogga don't give me my thing, the whole thing, man, them get the pan right now, and it's a still white thing. Yeah. So I say, serious like
What?
that.
If you get the half pot for the fire.
It's alright man. Me turn it down low. Me go collect something on Andrine and come back.
Yo man get hungry now. But deal with that and come now.
If I look at Bogga, Yagga, you know, some is a coot. Who can say that, my youth? So I try to say, I ain't a fool. Sure. I'm gonna say it, my youth. That's cool. Anyways, so I really go to the Bogga. Alright, it's the thing. A while back, you know, I had in a prison and them thing there. They show a character and face about a little thing. Yeah? Yeah, may I listen? So when I show them, say, I look a virgin give me a thing, see? And none knows it's not a selfie shoot on them thing there. Yeah? So if everybody want me get a thing, work them thing, take for them thing, give me my thing, so I can give my virgin back for him thing. Yeah? No, not really, you know, because a whole heap of things are going on. Hear what? I'm going to process them first things there. First, before you move on to the next thing. So basically, what I say is, right, I'm going to give you something. And due to the kind-hearted nature that is you try to help out some other youth. So you give them something out tight, right? And then work with them for work, take what them for take. Give you back what you forget back. And you give back the man who give you fame thing, right? Yeah, so after I give back the man them thing from the first thing, you give me a next thing. So you don't know, same routine and thing. But when the man from the first thing still never give back my thing. Alright, stick up in. Try to start out that something here before you go no further. So if me understand what you say, it's basically you give back the man what him forget, right? And him give you something else. And you repeat the same kind-hearted gesture. But you tell me say one of the man from the first something keep fame something and I give back your something. So you couldn't get forgive back the man that originally gave the first something, the something where you forgive him, right? Yeah, basically and thing. So after I'm gonna link the brother, I will never give him back nothing from the first thing. Look upon him and say, yo, I give the thing and say, yo, work the thing, take your thing, and give him my thing so I can give him virgin back fame thing. So shout my thing. Cause you're dealing with some idiot thing. Yeah? I mean for cut you still you know, but a whole heap of things are going on in that story there, you know. So I make you slow it down and think. See? Boy, I tell you, don't things are move fast. You know which thing are first, from which thing are last. If the average man understand them thing, yeah, I'm ready in the class. Yeah, so anyway, I say, yo, I idiot thing. Which about the thing? The man say, alright, don't go for your thing. Now the man come back with a cutlass and them thing, the virgin. So I run off. I say, oh, alright, I hear a thing, keep the thing. I just cut him off and thing. You see me? So I wind up and give my virgin back for him thing. Out of my personal thing. Yeah. So I show you say me and Bogga Yagga Johnny can't in no more things until him fix that thing there. Yeah. Then bigger. Now I never have to go through so much things. Just make me know say Bogga Yagga rob you. Why may I tell you? Without a doubt. Can I start up and cut over 35 things right out in your mouth. I never know so one man can fight so much things to talk about. And I'm a forward one that tomorrow, you know. But I'm left out the next day, which is Friday. So if I really want to fix that thing there, then I should have passed through. They're going to show you things at the arms house. The man rushed me with a cutlass over my thing. After me I try to help out the man with that thing. Yeah? So it's just like him come and find you and them thing there. And if you come and find me, I'll fix my thing. Well, that's make you know some more about tomorrow. And it's up to you to do what you want to do. You see me? Boy, this coming like a bigger Bogga Yagga Sagga. I know what you're saying, Bogga, but I'm going to show you what my feet I shall left tomorrow instead of Friday. Well, for one, it's supposed to rain tomorrow, you know. So get the cover of darkness. Because you're not going to moonlight. Sight. And the next thing is upon the weekend, so the boy them step up them patrol for Rocky Point. You sight? So that's why I said I shall just stick to the plan and sail out tomorrow. You sight? Well, at the end of the day, you know, if I want to jeopardize the thing and reach the mission of a difficult carrot, brother, yeah, then I must know what I deal with. Because I know there must be a big money thing. Because I know the eyes stay Yagga. I know, but you are. I know the eyes say for all that money in one bungle, see? Yagga. If you not regular in one basket thing, it didn't bother me higher. So what I'm doing is I shrink wrap it in 3 different bungles, right? One in the US, one bungle with the euro and pound them, and another bungle with the Canadian them. See? Yagga. Well, here I know brethren. There's some fishermen that wait for me, you know. With some banana and what up ground provision and ackee and fruit and them things there. They have a load up on the ship. You see me I say, fly them can eat good and then go back up to Switzerland. So the white lady said, no more snitzel. She have good food to cook for you now. You have to teach her. So what? Friday. Guidance. Yagga. Yes, I am.
Mr. Bogga Yagga, I will forever keep this picture on my desk until that day that I become even with you. A reminder that I will have the last laugh. You might have think you've gotten away, don't you? But I will get you yet, you son of a... Grazie, Hans, my trusty Swiss connection. How are you? Great. I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. And I already know why you're calling. And I have a bit of good news for you. I'm actually very close to getting Juice back into the studio. I made him an offer I think he has to take into great consideration. Let's say. No. Do me a favor. You can tell those guys over there at BMG that I say that they're full of crap. To be treated with such indignity. Why? Is it because I'm just a label on an island? Well, I'm not going to be taken advantage of. I'm sticking to my guns. In order to use any of Juice's songs in the upcoming movie projects, it's going to have to be 6 figures. And residuals, that's it. There's no other reggae artist as big as Juice in that side of Europe. And they know this. Well, if my stance is going to hurt the deal, so be it. My bank account is not in any type of pain. I'll be fine. Well, okay, Hans. I'll get back in touch with you, let's say around next week this time. Great. Maybe one day. Because if I were to come to Switzerland right now, my only focus would be to hunt and track down that Bogga Yagga Johnny and put up. Anyway, before you go, I don't mean to bring this up, but I still feel a bit responsible that he ran off with your wife. Have you heard anything about their whereabouts since? Is he even still in Switzerland? Wow, so she left him and came back to you. Hate to think of the damage he must have caused. Just a thought. Well, I guess that debunks the myth. They do go back. Let me take a wild guess. She ran out of finances. Correct? Well, at the end of the day, you're still a wealthy man, and now you're happy again. Well, I must agree. She's quite a little blonde bombshell, And whatever it is she saw in that Bogga Johnny, one can only imagine. Well, for your peace of mind and sanity, let's hope she's really cut ties with that vagabond. Wobius, you might say. Spending so much time thinking about and making money, we spend little time enjoying it. The saying goes, the love of money is the root of all evil. Well, consider me rooted in evil. Ha! And it was quite noble of you to suggest she take your yacht on a Caribbean cruise all by herself. And the captain, of course. Well, hopefully if she makes it to Jamaican waters, she'll come ashore and pay me and the wife a visit. Goodbye, Hans.
You know, say that him say. You're going like say you can't read, mouth.
I'm tell you this, man. Me not tell you what the tyrant and the one chicken hold me a talk about me all a hearing. I take him go and put up against me ears and clean it. And me I show you some couldn't hear nothing from out a ear. Me have to learn how to read lips. You know what I say?
Yeah, remember. So what them say?
Well, I couldn't see Bogga mouth too tough still, but I see the one Ezekiel mouth. I couldn't to make out everything what I say from over here, so. But I make out this door. It's like, see I say something about like a 1.5 million. And then later on, I see I talk about bungalow like US and Cayman money. And I make out him I talk about a boat. And I talk something like them I go left out Friday. And I'm going to carry liquor bird in my name, Carrot. I think of the carrot on my nose still, you know.
So what you think about? For rob them?
Hey, this man, I kind of robbing thing you talk about, my youth. You ever hear me a thief? That's why youth like, you know. You not go elevate, you know. Because you don't think one way. And I am a mastermind. Never plan.
Yo, Carrot, every time I see you, I ask you for your money. You have to tell me, say, bro.
Yo, your father passed now. You live in them nice house with all them Volvo park up in my yard. And you come back and suffer like me for money. And you forgot that house, go get some of the collection money, come give me.
What that have to do with nothing? May I ask you for your money? Because he's a little youth and he's a big movie star. Unless you're a rock star.
Hey, yo, if you stop and walk and beg, you know. Enough people go all watch the show and think say you're some little hungry belly youth. I pity them know if pass the fridge full in there. You hear me? If you stop and beg so much, youth. You practice to take over your old man church. Yo, they come in just like your old man, you know. Because anytime the reverend see me, you know, he might tell me, say, boy, if you can't come to church, you must just give him the offering. Yo, me I tell you. Like father, like son, to right it.
Hey, yo, Carrot, mind you watch those things, you know. If you don't have no money, just say you don't have no money, Rasta.
Rasta? Wait. Make past never hear you use them word about your Rasta. Yo, them no say you want bad youth. You know, they want cool little youth still, you know. Rate there as a little soldier. But a serious thing you're talking, you know. I know as a big movie star and them something. I mean, I love you can buy you and the whole of the youth them in the area. Bun and cheese, I rate to the water and serve along and them thing there. But in a real life, if carrot gun in pocket right now, I just straight lint, you see me? But don't watch down still youth. Things out for change. Carrot ship soon sail, you see me? And everybody are good. But anyway, I go down the road, see? Go and roll it down.
Yeah, you know, bless.
Yo, Carrot, where you deal? Rotted. Hold on there.
Hey boy, you feel like a car you drive.
You look, I never lit down, you're rotted. Sorry, big man, But I want to slow down still and save my life. You see me? Yes, cast waste. Face, what go on?
I mean what go on? Nobody no see the ice since I come back from vacation. And you come right past the headquarters like you know see me.
Man, sure say I drift off, you know. Yo, them say out of the mouth are suckling and babes. Even though them on the past baby stage still, but anyway, a youth still. So my reason with the passing man youth up the road a while ago and him say something to me you know, it's like me know you know. But coming from a little youth like that, may I tell you say it me different, brethren. The youth look for me and call me a broke star, brethren. Cause I couldn't buy myself me long. And them never lie. Cause of the truth. I mean I sure say road boy get me on my feelings a little bit enough and know say boy things that bad with me. So you see time I ride past you, it's like a tunnel me I look down, brethren, and I pray my future. It's like, where do I go from here? I want next. Right now, this is another way for me to live. So sit down for go give.
So that one left the show again.
Nah man, nothing like that. Those are things that boy, I'm gonna start put some more focus on my music, you see me I say. Alright, first man, I'm gonna tell this to you know. But remember the brother when I do the bag of tune them for, and them rob me.
Yeah.
From where they them a pressure me, you know, say man camera back in the studio. But them say this time I'm gonna do the right thing.
Yo, link me later, see it? Yeah man, no say a word. Yo, I sure you say around here ain't me just a come from, you know. You gotta ring off your phone and it just a go straight to voicemail. Boy, I don't know if I'm eye deceive me, you know. But I look fresher. Like the little getaway, do you good. I ask your face, you not agree. But anyway, how it a go, my general? You good?
Well, as far as my health and strength, yeah. But as far as my future and my career, it's a big question mark. You see me?
My general, come like today I go through another career crisis again.
More like a everything crisis. My life in disarray, my brethren. This fame without fortune thing I get old. Carrot need for spreading wings right now and finding pot of gold, you see me?
Well, my brethren, you don't know so we've been down the road before. And obviously you feel a kind of way about something, so what I say now?
Well man, sure say no, just before I come on here, you know. I'm about to prep face a little thing. Which eventually I have to go prep you too, cause I kinda involved, you see me? Well, more or less.
What I say, more or less? Well, tell you what, give me the more part first.
Nothing really necessarily more or less, now, just a phrase, brethren. Anyway, the little new Kingston thief in brother, Mr. Mike, robbed me my album. Say boy, he might want to work with me again, but he must give me a better contract this time. See?
Yeah, me I hear you.
Well, the only reason why I work with them boy again, you know, cause I talk about some fly out thing that time, yeah. I must say, boy, some small island first, and if things work out, foreign, you don't know. Yeah, so at first, I need some legal advice on the eye, you know. One day, can I play my attorney, look over the contract, and if everything legit, then one day I become a manager. You see me, I deal with and manage my thing correct.
Well, even if you think it's a bad idea, and that the I want to deal it still, and you're steadfast in that, me support the I still.
Yo, I respect you for that in my youth. Straight.
I want to tell Carrot, you don't know some medium arms house already, man. AKA, Mr. You know, so I never AKA for the one there. But better still, I might have an option for you. But prep the coinky thing now. The option I may talk about can I involve the same boy that Mr. Mike, you know. And a chance for that guy foreign. Now tell me say if that I one crazy coinky thing.
Yo, how name Coinky Ink?
I never say nothing about no Coinky Ink, brethren. I say coinky thing. And that's my street acronym that for coincidence. See it? Nobody watch nothing, man.
Yo, that enough this me no virgin. Just ask that a question. You come talk about me act like cream.
Acronym, my brethren, acronym. I never say nothing about act like cream. You know what? Forget it. Yo, Carrot, here I now.
Yo, me as the pancake. May I listen? Hold on, the pause. Let me rephrase that. May I listen? Talk up.
Well, like me last show you, know, just before me come on here, I hear yard me I come from.
May I listen? I They are wait for the party, they say carrot go foreign.
Well, not necessarily the foreign but you might have in mind still, but nonetheless, a foreign.
Start for foreign, you know. So I can nonetheless thing you deal it.
Alright, let me ask you this. How living in a Switzerland sound today?
Start what kind of Switzerland thing you talk about, Virgin. I'm going to go to make cheese. The foreign we talk about. Bogga, Canada, England. Even though Bogga, I really want to go still, you know. Because I have a half sister up there I want to locate. Me go and work with England and Canada still. Me rush party I go with Switzerland. Star, every time you see something with Switzerland, you know, it's like a some mountain with base snow on top of it. And some cow with some big old bell around them neck. But me I do that so, Virgin.
Nah man. To them, that's for them beauty, you know, so that them want to show the world. But them place they are big city like England, Canada, America. Trust me.
Boy, I'll hear me attack, you know. Where things bothered me right now. Willing to get anyway I try right now. So what you say?
Well, alright. Seeing as they up to the option, see the dealer. Well, they don't know me name already. AKA, Mr. from them coming, them have to tap in. See it?
Yeah. Get to the fly out part now.
Well, I don't necessarily fly out, you know, so to speak, but stick a pin on that for now. Yeah? Well, alright. Like me I say, me and Mr. AKA from them coming, them have to tap in. So, Bogga Yagga, as we all know, him kind of off at the scene now for a couple years, right? Well, at least in Jamaica. Well, them they back on the rock, you know. And like me say, anytime them come in, them have to tap in. See it? So I'm going to link up with them and we have Bill and I talk about a bag of things. And one of the things I'm going to say, boy, I'm really come down to pick up something and flash out. See it? So the conversation switch to this artist when I talk about, say, mash Switzerland. Tune after tune, number one after number one. Bogga even go as far as I say, when it comes to reggae in Switzerland, a Bob, Lee Perry, and artist named Juice. In that order there. But to my show me say, nobody don't know Juice. They just know him tune them. I must say, boy, any Juice touch all Switzerland, in about a year him turn millionaire. So Bogga say him do him research, and the only thing could I find out about the artist named Juice, I say him come off of their New Kingston label. You're a boy.
So that have to do with me. When you get to the part when me I fly out, you come tell me about the artist named Juice and them things. I'm in a business with him.
It's obvious, and I see things clear. Juice is carrot juice, brethren. The man just flip your name round and I make a bag of money off of you. So all of the things not now going for you. I tell you, Jamaica, my brethren. You got Switzerland right now is a multi-million-dollar superstar, mega star.
Star, if you tell me say today, I go and go pack right now. And if you tell me say at this minute, I lift my bicycle right just and move with it. So I go on.
Well, not really so fast, but I have some more details to get the eye still, so that I can make up my mind if you really want to deal with this or not, you see me?
I want to deal with that. Foreign, mega star, millionaire, and that me I deal with. The younger the details me want, and when.
So about the show?
Well, I consider that still enough. If Carrot Boogie or the show I'll go.
Right, it's a serious thing, you know. Me I'll forget about the show. But I don't like say when I don't see how my life set, brethren. So when I don't know, sometimes a man have to just make a decision and grow. You see me?
I agree with you, my brethren. And even though I don't know, so the vibes are going to set away if that flash out. I could I never have information. I could I help you or any man for that reason better themselves and I get out.
Yo, brethren, when I'm a family, you know, so I don't feel like, say, boy, I'm not going to miss the item. And Darius cooking. But I don't know. Carrot have to do, carrot have to do.
Well, Bogga Yagga come on here tomorrow, you know. So more you're there, so we can finalize how everything will go and the departure and them thing there. So may I say?
But wait, I don't have visa, not even passport. So I'm going to go up and plane.
But alright, now make we unstick the pin. But let's say, you know, I don't necessarily fly out thing, but positively, I don't fly out.
And even if I cruise ship, I still need visa and passport, man. Because I'm in a store with thing and no grip and no barrel, you know. Oh.
Boy, there's a sample still in a carrot. Nah, man, it's not a cruise ship still, you know. You're not going to need no visa and no passport.
So if I'm on a cruise ship, I'm going to need visa and passport. What you expect me to do? Sail out on a dinghy or a fishing boat?
Nah, man, not like that, man. It's not really a cruise ship still, you know. It's more like a mini cruise ship. call them yacht. Bathroom, bedroom, living room, TV, kitchen, everything like a big ship, but it's on a smaller scale, see it?
Okay. And them sit them here say Jay-Z and Beyonce them depend more time. Yeah man, me deal with that for sure.
I like Bogga that show me, for the most of the trip across the Atlantic, they are going to live it up like a big time celebrity, you see me? But when you reach Swiss waters, you might have to go hide, just in case them Coast Guard want board the yacht. Him say, not necessarily, but just in case.
Yo, if you get to the millions and the stardom, I don't know that. If that are the worst me have to do, let's go.
And you know some things that I would have said no, cause them place you know one of the main 3 spots them what we know. Well, come like say bigger, might get to finally be the leading man on the show. Who would have known?
Well, in that situation here, me coming like Fred Sanford and him coming like Grady. So I have to do him best and try and replace me, that's all.
Well, easier said than done. But at the end of the day, I still just the fun, yeah?
You don't know. Anyway, me there, you know, I just the fun, you know. So let's call it, say, just the fun gone international, you see me?
Anyway, you have to link me early tomorrow, because I don't know exactly what time I'm going to pass through.
Yo, we can drive a car, you know. My uncle have a car like this, and he made me drive it already.
Mommy, you can drive it too. Come find it, have one, and let me drive it already. You better me jump in it and show them you can drive it.
Hey boy, jump in the what? Yo, wanna move around the man car?
Come Junior, come go down to my yard. Hey, trust me, you know. A big lip boy don't know same lucky, you know. I should just wet him up.
Here a carrot. Flash a little piece for him now, so we can clear up all I doubt. See you are the original carrot juice that the people in Switzerland I go crazy about.
I don't know. Which piece you want me give?
You're the artist, you know. Just give him anything, man. I tell you what. Give him a little piece of the mackerel. Yeah, give him that.
You know what I want to say, you know. You don't know. A simple something. Alright.
I tune up a voice in a Bogga. You can hear a man now for the first time with natural auto-tune. No machine.
Me never think me could have find someone like you, girl.
Natural.
I know me can't get you off of my mind. Me just a think about you. Holy mackerel, I can't believe you are mine. Holy mackerel, when I look at you, love full up my eyes. Holy mackerel, holy mackerel, is all that I can say.
I'm not saying I need no more convincing than that. This a man that put the carrot in the juice, but have the millions of fans of Switzerland where I talk about. I hear the sweet sound that come out of my mouth.
Yagga. Yo, trust me, Bogga. I don't hear nothing yet. Yeah, so when we are push, set sail, ship out, bon voyage, and things of that nature there.
Why, superstar, why sure say it look like tomorrow, you know? Sometime in the evening. Right, Bogga?
Yagga.
But I wonder if him see it.
No, blah him see it. But cover good, man. Prepare and see if him still a look.
Then you wanna can't see better than me from up there, sir.
They move like coward style. Him now look. They sure say him not penetrate the bridging. They are covered out the mission style.
Boy, look like they really can't read mouth, brethren. So what them did I talk about?
Well, we can't do read mouth from so far still. But we confirm say I care there. The dread did I talk about.
Well, alright. I don't care there. So next.
Well, next, we need to gather some more information, and then we can set a course of action, see? And if everything goes as planned, I can be a rich man. I mean, me and the eye.
Well, it look like everything is a go for tomorrow evening then.
Boy, I can't believe it. Switzerland. Here I come. Live and direct. Cash only, please. Cause we don't take check. Yagga.
Yagga. Oh, you know something, I forget something. Oh yeah, there's one more thing. For most, it wouldn't be an issue. But for some, it could not necessarily be for them thing. That's what I say. And as far as we can recall, me and I never discussed race relations and things of that nature yet before.
Start. That one start sound like all bigger with the bag of confusion thing. You what kind of race you dealing, brethren?
You know something? You're right. Basically, I'm going to try to find out if they have a problem with them with that snow bunny.
Snow bunny? No. We don't know bunny business, brethren. How you deal with Dam's house? Want a bonnet, snow bonnet, sun bonnet, any bonnet. Tell bunny back up, run it.
Yagga. They have me there for a second still. Duly noted. Snow bonnet. So you're good with that?
Come to your arms house. Can't no discriminate, brethren. Bogga, how the snow bonnet there? Bring her a comet.
Well, not so fast. That's for when I reach up, so. Because basically, that's all I ever say.
So I say, if more suitable come back a yard with some little mixed carrot, Auntie Doris go and take care of them and cook up some good food for them and them thing there. Uncle Face, what you say?
Straight. You know carrot. I don't know if Switzerland ready for a little coat like the ice still, you know. Well, looks like his anchor's away. What you say, Bogga?
Yagga. John, know before you know it tomorrow there, you know. I'm going to deal with some transactions and tie up some loose ends and pack and all them things there. Yo, I'm cut now, you know.
Sound like a smart idea, you know. The way it look right now, you have less than 24 hours before anchor's up.
John, know. Darcy cook all stew peas today, you know. Yo, Face, tell Darcy to put on my stew peas, you know, because if I come back for it later, you know, carry with me tomorrow, because I know I'm not get the stew peas at Switzerland. See?
Everything straight.
Darcy, if I put my plum juice in my freezer, see?
Yo, Carrot, you better get used to wiener schnitzel and sauerkraut. Tell him, my Bogga.
No.
Trust me, Bogga, you're not going to regret it. He might a little rough around the edges, but him hard clean.
Ginger, yo, man, show you say.
That Carrot, no, me not. Cha.
Just want to tell you say, me I left tomorrow.